Hey folks, it's Nessa here in Infinitely Zeros channel. Wanted to show you what I got for the month of August, Mary Maxim monthly crochet kit club. So got this very cool, it came in the clear zippered bag, and I was like, oh, what is it? It's hard, it's a box. Anyways, so it's a kit to make a sunflower, crochet kit to make a sunflower tote bag. And it comes with everything included. The kit's really nice. My only qualm about the kit is, I'll show you, the yarn inside isn't labeled, so you don't know how much yarn it is or what type of yarn it is. And the pattern came like this, which is nice that it has all the pictures and everything. But again, in the pattern, it also doesn't say how much yarn you would need if you wanted to remake this pattern, or what type of yarn it is. Or if you needed to get more yarn, right? So there's no yarn info on there. And it also doesn't say what type of size hook to use. It does come with an included hook in the kit. So you get the size from there. And it says the bag is, the square should be 11.3 inches, I think. Or 11.3 by 11.3 centimeters each. Overall size of the bag, the width is 33 centimeters, height is 35 centimeters, shoulder strap 32 centimeters. So for those that don't work in centimeters, it might be an issue because it's not in inches, right? It's not an imperial system. So this came out to, what I pay for it is $18.99 for the kit, and then it's a $4.99 charge, so $5 charge for shipping. Plus the tax is $1.79, so it's a total of $25.77. So this is what the kit looks like. You have to remove the label to open it. This is what the back part says, you know, that it comes with the yarn, with a hook, and with stitch markers. And a QR code, and the QR code on that paper that's inside is the link to the video tutorial. So I want to figure out how to store this better. I mean, I'm glad it's in a box, because if not, the yarn would have been probably a tangled mess if it wasn't stored in this box. So this is how the yarn comes. The yarn looks nice. You know, it looks like it's probably acrylic yarn. Maybe a 4-weight, maybe a 3-weight. I don't know. So it's 5 colors. Whoop. That's about how thick the yarn is. This is the hook, you know, little ergonomic handle hook, 3.0 millimeters it says on it. So this is the darker brown color, that's the lighter brown. This kind of golden color. The white comes all like this with a little extra one on the side, and then the green is like this. But like I said, the labels on the yarn would have been nice. And some info on the yarn. And this is the paper with the code on it. Like I said, there's, you know, that extra info isn't on there. Oh yeah, and this is the little thing of the stitch markers. So yeah, little short and sweet video. I don't have much more to talk about concerning this kit for this month. It's cute. The other thing I wanted to, I wanted to say welcome and thanks for coming to my new and returning watchers and subscribers. Thanks so much. If you like the content of my channel, please click like and subscribe. That helps a lot. It's free to subscribe. Thank you so much to my members. Thank you for your continued support, and also just watching my videos and subscribing to the channel helps a lot as well. But the membership definitely helps me a lot to be able to you know, pay for this kit and for other yarn that I show on the channel and for other projects, and all that goes back into the channel. So thank you so much. I wanted to mention, I know I had mentioned previously sort of, well, I've been really busy with things, but also haven't been feeling well. and my arm has been hurting since July, my left arm. Yes, I did go to the doctor. I went to the doctor again this week, different doctor, and they diagnosed it that I sprained my tendon in my arm, in my left arm. So she said I can't do any weaving currently, and I have to take it easy and limit my crochet time. Very limited crochet time, almost don't crochet kind of thing. So, which also limits to a lot of other things that I try to do in my day-to-day that use both hands and both arms. So it's been quite challenging the last few days. I'm still behind on videos. I'll try to record some as I have the energy and time. I wanted to show a few other unboxings and what I had bought at the Weavers Guild, kind of yearly donation member sale. And I also had some items sent to me from friends. Thank you so much. So I'll try to film and show that when I get a chance. And oh, and I've been wanting to film showing you current projects that I'm working on. And no, I don't have any of them in here. And it was going to be a longer video. And right now, like, they're all on hold too. So anyways. Okay, folks, I take care. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day or night. Bye.